Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility so you don't buy unusable parts. Check your motherboard socket and chipset against the new CPU generation and confirm a BIOS update exists. Once done, back up the OS and important files to an external drive or cloud. Imaging prevents hours of recovery. Make sure your PSU provides adequate wattage and the case has clearance for the cooler. Gather tools and firmware downloads now so you can move straight into hardware work. You will now perform the hardware swap step by step. Power off, unplug, and ground yourself to avoid ESD. Remove the cooler, then lift the socket lever and extract the old CPU. Align the new CPU using the triangle marker and seat it gently. Close the latch. Apply the manufacturer-recommended amount of thermal paste, usually a pea-sized dot, and reinstall the cooler with even pressure. Reconnect all power and data cables, reset RAM, and double-check fan and front panel headers. You should power on and immediately enter the BIOS to confirm CPU recognition and update firmware if required. Load optimized defaults, then adjust XMP or memory timings for RAM. Boot into the OS and install chipset drivers, plus the latest Windows or Linux updates to ensure compatibility. Run a short stress test and monitor temperatures to confirm cooling is working. If you hit problems, try resetting the CMOS reseating components or rolling back the BIOS. These actions resolve most post.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.